Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the beautiful, perfect weather Da Nang. I can't believe it. Today is even a day where it's like you can actually go to the ocean. You can bath. Wow! It's phenomenal. And Marcus, as a single man, is Marcus, you know, he is very pleased and happy to see so many females on the beach. Oh, it's crazy. So if you survive the street, you will be awarded with a beautiful beach like that. It's crazy. Check this out, guys. It is very nice. The ocean also looks beautiful. It's green. It's not too wavy. It's clean. We have a white sand beach. It's phenomenal. Check this out, guys. We are back. We are so back. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm actually gonna post this today, so you know exactly what day it is. It's 15th of January. This is amazing. This is just perfect. And I will also, don't forget to subscribe right now, because I will do a nice nighttime video today. I will go out and film in the evening. I will take an extra camera from Marcus and I will actually do a nice nightlife video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video right now. How awesome is this? I think this is a lifeguard here. So here I don't think you can go in the water right now. You can only go in the water where they have a designated area there, where the lifeguard is on duty. Look how beautiful it looks today. I already met a lot of people today here on the beach. And everyone is happy because it's beautiful weather in the January. And I've never experienced that good of a weather in January, to be honest. Never. And I've been here, it's my third January, I think. Or fourth? I'm not sure. 2022. 2022. I'm not good at math. Look, everything is full. Today I also saw the coffee shop where we always go now was also packed. I think every coffee shop, especially also outside seating area, is packed. Hotels are packed. It's crazy. It's not low season anymore, guys. I feel like lots of people just came right when it was good weather announced. People come here. It's perfect weather now. And the hotels are packed. It's good. But also, it's not that easy to find good deals at the moment, I think. What is usually the case in January. I still have to I have to check it out. I have to check out if you can still find good hotels, good prices in 2026. I will make a video about that. So stay tuned for that. Because they also build a lot. But not as many hotels, I would say. I think they build more over apartment buildings. And to be honest, kinda every apartment building they build is on the higher end. And also, what I also got a good, very interesting page. I got a screenshot a few days ago how realistically the taxes are getting raised. Also, not only now this year, but every You're still sitting here? Now I'm doing my English walk. Now you can say hi. Welcome to Da Nang. Look at this, a German from New Zealand and Canadians here. Huh? All right. All right. I just explained where they can go eat. Raw vegan, interesting. I think Kurumi is raw vegan, or at least they have things like that. But I believe there are a lot of vegan places here in Da Nang. Look at this, they're building here. There are a lot of vegan places here, so it's not hard to be vegan. This is amazing. This is amazing, guys. Check this out. Look at this beautiful weather. It feels like a proper summer day today. In the sun it's very hot, but in the shade it's a nice breeze, so it's the perfect mix. Oh, there's a cute doggo. I'm not sure what happened here. Why is it on the floor? Huh. Maybe they're just building it up. Maybe they have huts like that somewhere. But it is always a great spot to go into the water. This is fantastic. Also, for everyone who's always asking, there are lockers here. Beach lockers. You can rent a locker here for 40,000 dong. They have it. They have lockers there, and beach beds, coconuts, beer, everything you need. Look at this. There's another hut. What are they doing? Are they building it here, or are they just repairing it? Maybe. I mean, a few of them were damaged before. Check this out. Even the pigeons are here. What up? This is the Da Nang that is advertised. Exactly this today. This is beautiful. And the ocean is back. I mean, it is still a little bit of an issue here. As you can see here, it goes down, but it is okay. We have the beach back. It's very good. But this beach club is completely demolished. I think you will see it tomorrow in my walk, because I started my walk there, and you will see it. So this is a live update right now for today. Tomorrow there will be what I filmed yesterday. I did a long walk to the Sonsha. I did a long walk to Sonsha and walked around neighborhoods I've never been. I walked around neighborhoods, it's crazy. But yeah, it will be out in 3-4 days. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. But yeah, this is the beach club from the Holiday Beach. They just demolished it, and I have no idea why. They demolished it here, and now they have a small cart over there. So they just moved everything. So this beach bar moved over here. So all the interior is here. And this here, done. Maybe it was built illegally, or maybe, no, I have no idea. I hope they built something better there. Just some big a huge thing. I don't know, that would be cool. Right at the beach. That would be awesome. Yeah, it's looking very good here. I can smell some broccoli here. Oh, there they are. Huh. Fantastic. It looks very good here, guys. I can tell you that. I hope this water here vaporized as well. As you can see here, I think they're also working on it. There should be an excavator somewhere here, because this looks like they changed the sand over there. Yeah, this is still the water there. It looks very nasty. Whoa, it smells also very, very bad. I hope this is gonna be gone soon. They have to find a solution for that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. The next videos will be very nice. See you on the next time. Next walk.